Hello everyone, welcome all to Physics with H0X. So in this video we will discuss about some previous year KTG problem of IIT JAM paper. So let's begin. So here is the first question of this session, that is, a body at temperature T emit radiation at a peak wavelength lambda. If the temperature of the black body becomes 4T, the new peak wavelength is. And here the options are 1 by 256 lambda, 1 by 64 lambda, 1 by 16 lambda, and 1 by 4 lambda. And here is the solution, that is, we know that from Wind law, lambda max T is constant. So we can write it here, lambda 1 T1 is equal to lambda 2 T2. So from here we can find that lambda 2 will be lambda by 4. So the answer is lambda by 4. Then let NMB, NBE and FT denote the number of ways in which two particles can be distributed in two energy states according to Maxwell-Boltzmann, Bose-Einstein and Fermi-Dirac statistics respectively. Then NMB is to NBE is to NFT H. And here the options are 4 is to 3 is to 1, 4 is to 2 is to 3, 4 is to 3 is to 3 and 4 is to 3 is to 2. And the answer will be 4 is to 3 is to 1. And here is the next question of this session, that is, two thermally isolated identical systems have heat capacities which vary as Cv is equal to beta Tq, where beta is greater than 0. Initially, one system is at 300 Kelvin and other at 400 Kelvin. The systems are then brought into thermal contact and the combined system is allowed to reach thermal equilibrium. The final temperature of the combined system is. So it has been given in the question that two thermally isolated identical systems, and here Cb is equal to beta Tq. The maximum temperature is when Tq1 plus Tq2 is equal to 0. So by solving it, we can find that Tmax will be 360 Kelvin and the minimum temperature will be delta S1 plus delta S2 is equal to 0 when it happened. So here we can find that T minimum is equal to 357 Kelvin. So the answer will be T is from 357 to 360 Kelvin. Then here is the next question. In one dimension, the assemble of n classical particles has energy of the form E is equal to px square by 2m plus half kx square. The average internal energy of the system at temperature T is. And the options are 3 by 2 kT, 1 by 2 kT, 3 kT and kT. We know that from the question we can find that the degree of freedom will be 2, and again we know that U is equal to nf kT by 2. So by putting the value of degree of freedom, that is F is equal to 2, we will find that U will be nkt. So the answer is nkt. Then a solid metallic cube of heat capacity S is at temperature 300 Kelvin. It is brought in contact with a reservoir at 600 Kelvin. If the heat transfer takes place only between the reservoir and the cube, the entropy change of the universe after reaching the thermal equilibrium is. And the options are 0.69 S, 0.54 S, 0.27 S and 0.19 S. And here is the solution, that entropy change of reservoir is minus dq by t, and after solving it we can find it as minus 0.5 s. Entropy change of cube will be s ln t2 by t1 and it will be 0.693 s. So the delta s universe is minus 0.5 s plus 0.693 s, that is equal to 0.19 s. So the answer will be 0.19 s. I hope you all enjoy this session. So for more videos, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.